The guide to getting the right toy for your baby. Getting toys for your baby is one of the most enjoyable moments of parenthood. Every parent thinks of getting their little ones the kind of toys that trigger their brain and personality development without compromising their fun time and safety. If your baby has started to sit up by himself, it is a great time to start taking his or her playing hours seriously. No one knows better than parents how much effort is required to do baby shopping. The thought process behind every apparel and baby products is enormous. And why wouldn't it be? Your bundle of joy is so sensitive that taking so much care becomes crucial. However, we understand that as parents of a newborn, your minds might already be occupied and missing out on a few factors is entirely natural. But that doesn't have to get you worried, because we have come here to help. In this detailed video, you will discover everything you need to know before finding the perfect toys for your baby. Fundamentals of baby toys. Your baby has reached the stage where he or she is ready to engage himself in some fun activities. He or she has begun to understand the concept of colors better. They can focus on the objects better and have an increased attention span. They can laugh their beautiful laughter when you get silly. At this wonderful age, you can introduce him or her to interesting toys that can help his or her already growing brain. While shopping for toys, parents may get overwhelmed by the choices they have at hand. The priority while browsing through baby products is the safety factor, and you will find out that there are many things that come under the umbrella of safety. You need to consider things like the age of the baby, size and design of the toy, product suitability, and product material. Let us elaborate on the guidelines you should keep in mind while assessing each of these factors. Toy safety guidelines. Number 1. Turn on the age filter. The age band for which kids' toys are made is vast. The product description mentions the right age for every product. Your baby is just a few months old, and although his or her brain is developing at a fast pace, the most he or she will know to do with sophisticated toys would be to throw them. Getting a baby something with high contrast colors and products that make exciting noises can turn out to be a fantastic idea. Number 2. Size specifications. Kids love small objects because it might remind them of how little they are themselves. Jokes apart, toys with really tiny parts are harmful to your baby. He or she is in the stage where his or her gustatory receptors are jumping up, and he or she is enhancing them by trying to taste everything around him or her. When he or she tries to do the same to toys with little parts, there is a high chance he or she might end up swallowing them. And once that happens, the throat of your little one can even get hurt. It is also important to avoid buying products with loose parts and ones that are too big in size. Number 3. Resistance to baby jaw. We just mentioned that babies love to take things in their mouths. The previous point was about saving your baby from the toy, and now the point is saving the toy from your baby. It would be in the best interest of your baby. Chew-resistant toys don't wear out by your baby's constant nibbling on them. In short, they can also save a few bucks of yours that you would spend on repurchasing the product. Number 4. Wires, strings and sharp edges are a big no-no. Everything is fascinating for babies, but the fascination with ribbons, wires and lightness is hazardous for your baby. He or she can accidentally strangle himself while trying an interesting trick. Your little one can even get tangled in a string and his or her blood flow gets restricted. It is best to leave puppets and such toys for he or she grows up a little. Edges should entirely be out of the ballpark of baby toys. Your baby is really fragile, and his or her sensitive skin can get hurt by toys with edges. Even toys with materials that can break when your baby is playing with them can hurt him or her with the sharpnel. So steer clear of such toys, parents. Number 5. Be on the lookout for lead and PVC. Lead is a harmful metal, consuming which can have grave consequences. If your baby is playing with a toy that contains lead, he or she can get lead poisoning. It can cause kidney problems and affect the growth and learning process of the baby. Usually, plastic-made products from China contain some levels of lead paint. Be careful while buying products that haven't passed some kind of a safety check. Just like lead, Polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC, causes harm to a baby as it contains substances like phthalates, dioxins, and vinyl chlorides. PVC is a commercial grade plastic, and the toxins contained in it can cause reproductive health issues, asthma, and allergies to your baby. Look for the label that indicates whether the product is PVC free to avoid any safety hazards. Number 6. The material that you should consider. Toys made of bamboo and wood do not usually contain harmful substances. Also, it is known that cutting bamboo trees does not contribute to deforestation, which means you get to be a good parent and a good citizen. More and more parents are turning towards toys made of organic material as they can be healthy. You can also turn towards cotton and hemp fabric provided they are free of insecticides. Right now, such toys may sound like exclusive products to you, but trust us, they are readily available for you to buy in most stores. Parents, we hope we laid the foundation of all the safety measures over which you can keep a pile of safe toys for your baby. We understand and aim to keep understanding how much your little one's safety means to you. We hope you are leaving with nothing less than loads of love and precise information. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.